Most people are absolutely fed up with turning their television volume up to 80 just to hear a single line of dialogue. You know the feeling. You spend a fortune on a massive screen with a stunning picture, but the audio sounds like it is coming through a tin can. It is a massive letdown. That is exactly why this compact black soundbar exists. At just under $85, it tries to bridge that gap between terrible built-in speakers and an expensive home theater setup. The first thing you notice is the build quality. It has this matte black finish that looks surprisingly premium. It is small enough to tuck under almost any screen without blocking the picture. It actually looks like it costs 3 times as much as it does. Setup is a breeze even if you are not a tech person. You can use the optical cable or just go with a simple aux connection. If you want a clean look with no wires, the Bluetooth pairing is fast and reliable. What really stands out is the app support. Usually, budget audio gear feels like an afterthought. Here, the app actually guides you through the process and lets you tweak the sound profile. This is a massive win for customization. When it comes to the actual performance, the results are interesting. It claims to push out a peak of 120 watts. In a small bedroom or an apartment living room, it sounds fantastic. The voices are crisp and clear. You finally stop reaching for the remote every time someone whispers on screen. The built-in subwoofer gives the audio some much-needed weight. It adds a layer of warmth that makes movies feel more alive. However, we have to talk about the limits. The marketing calls this a cinematic experience. But let us be honest here. If you put this in a huge open concept basement, it is going to struggle. It does not have that deep bone-shaking bass that makes your chest thump during an explosion. If you push the volume to the absolute maximum, you might notice some distortion. The sound loses its polish and starts to feel a bit strained. That is the trade-off for the price point. We also do not have much data on how this unit holds up over time. There are not many independent user reviews out there yet. It is a bit of an unknown quantity in terms of durability. If you want a simple, effective upgrade for a secondary room or a small gaming setup, this is a great choice. It beats the pants off any stock TV speaker. Just do not expect it to replace a dedicated 5-speaker surround system. It is a tool for a specific job. It brings clarity and a bit of punch to your daily watching without breaking the bank. If you keep your expectations realistic, you will probably be very happy with it. It is all about finding that balance between cost and quality. For $84, it is hard to argue with the value it brings to a cramped living space. It makes the transition from flat, lifeless audio to something with actual character very easy for the average person. You do not need to be an audiophile to appreciate the difference. You just need to want a better experience when you sit down to relax at the end of a long day.